what we're gonna do. See this damage? There's the electrical wire there just laying in the yard. All them trees pulled that shit down, so we're gonna put this back together. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Get mine out because I get more leverage. Mine's got more leverage.
Yeah, I know.
So what we're doing is we're taking the hots. There's no electric ran to this right now. It's cut as I showed you guys. So we're taking the hots off. We're gonna get this old stuff out of the way and then start putting the new stuff in. Okay, okay, okay. Well, I'm going to take all the ground lead off and all that goes. Straighten them out. One at a time. Control. That's a big wire there. Like open something. We got something on this house. If we're not picking this something whatsoever. We got a 50. No, I'm not going to grab out. Okay. Don't need beer. Little one. That's 50 amp. This is 60. So what happened here, if y'all don't know, is Austin had this area had a big ice storm because it's in central Texas and the trees went through, we had a real big heat wave this summer and drought, and then we had a ice freeze this winter, so these trees weren't healthy. So when we had that ice and it formed and built up on these trees, well, the branches weren't healthy and they started breaking. And that's all that debris I showed you in the yard. And obviously branches came down, and people that had overhead power, like this house, a lot of them pulled it off. This is like my second or third one I've done. This one's a little bit more to this one. The other ones I just had to change, just pretty much just put the riser back up, and mount the boxes back on the wall. It didn't really hurt them too much. This one, this box is pretty bad shape, and it needed a riser. It didn't have a riser. It had the old school aluminum wire, so it needed to be updated and upgraded anyway. So it is what it is. This is one of my clients' house. I've worked on this house a lot. So what we need to do is take these breakers off. There we go. Take these breakers off. Like, see, this panel is so, it was out in the weather. If I get this panel off, I'll give you guys a close-up. I'll bring it over there and give you a close-up and show you how rusted out. Nasty. Because whoever obviously took care of this house at some point, they opened this panel cover or something and never shut it right. But you got a lot of water in here. Because I mean, it's under an overhang, so I don't think you got like a whole bunch of water in it from like the overhang. It just, you know, it just, it is what it is. Okay, so let's grab a couple. Okay. And all these grounds are all in one lug on the panel, which you're not supposed to do that either. It was old school. I mean, it passed code back old school, but won't do it today. So, there we go. So, this has some anchors in it. It's got 2 anchors left in it, I should say. We're going to put new wall anchors in here. And on both sides on the panel, and we'll put new wall anchors on the panel and the meter can. I got some big ones and some small ones, depending on. Small ones probably on the panel and the meter can, the brackets, or the clamps, the 2-hole clamps. I might use the bigger ones if I need to. This panel is damn ground. See that? Missed the ground, y'all. Should just cut that damn ground, but we're not putting all this back on here anyway. There's no internet or nothing at this house no more. Okay. So, what I want to show y'all is look at this panel. Look at how rotted and rusty out it is. Look at all the little lizards that are dead behind there. Yeah, so this panel was shut. That's why we're replacing it. Fire. This yellow right there. So you all know we just took this off the meter. So that's aluminum wire. And see, it just pulled right off of the connection. But that's all the drop was. Old school style, like that. Dude, that wire goes through a brick. I never even knew that.
Yeah. I saw that.
Yeah, this wire's jumping. Okay, y'all, so we're back. So we got this panel up. We got this meter can up. So I'm getting ready to wire these wires, and then we got the pipe up through the roof. Then I got to go up there and do the roof stuff. But what I wanted to tell you is, so when you're doing something like this, you got to check with your local municipalities, because so you, on your legs, you have a red leg, red hot, and a black hot, and then you have the white as a neutral. Well, you got, in different municipalities, you have to have the phases set right. You have to have them set on the right side, and where we're at is black, red. So right now, if you're looking what I have in there, it's wrong. That's red, black. So I had to switch it over to I got to switch the black and the red over on the other side. So just letting you know. See, you take the wire. This is that big wire. This is 2-aught. 2-aught copper. And you just go around it with your razor knife, and then you cut one straight cut off. And then it just goes right off. So, like I said, so it goes black. This is my black. So it goes black. I gotta get that in there. Now what I like to do, I'll be right back. Move it around a little bit. Put another half a crank on there. And that's good enough. You don't want to crank them too much. Like I said, you got manufacturer torque specs. You crank it too much, you will break that aluminum. Trust me. Been there, done that. Where'd that other one go, Pop? That one's missing now.
What's that?
That one that we beat off, the one that we barely got off. That was stripping.
I don't know where you threw it at.
I thought. I have to look around for it. That's an integral part. It's not this one. This one is. Oh, it's right here by the WD-40. I mean, I don't need it right now. And that's your client. My baby one? Where are my drills at? Open that. Lee gets in one of those. Where my drills at? Right there. My rigid, where all my parts are at, Pop.
In here.
No, over there. Where my drill's sitting on top of it. My big drill.
Oh, that thing.
I'm like, what are you talking about over there?
Because I see this drill right there.
Oh. Yeah, in there should be in there. Okay. Now, this one that goes in the middle is neutral. her up. Come on, Pookie. Alright, Pookie. There we go. Pookie. And this one, unfortunately, is not Allen wrench. This is flat head. Screw it down with a flat head. Down with a flat head. Like that. See how that moved a little bit? I moved it and I was able to get another bite on it. See that? There we go. So, I am about to go. He's going to work on the panel. And I am about to go up there. I had to finish out putting the weather head,
All right, talk to you later.
the roof stuff on. I'll take you out here. So a trip to Home Depot and lunch, and then here is the finished product. Took us roughly about 4 hours to start to finish, and it's all done. Thanks everybody for watching.